Hello students, welcome back to the new video. So today in this video I am going to share essay on if I were a bird. So it is very easy, let's start the video. If I were a bird, I would be very happy. I would have beautiful wings to fly high in the sky. I could fly anywhere I want, anytime I want. I would see the world from a very high place. I could visit different countries and meet new friends. I would feel free and strong with the wind under my wings. I could sing sweet songs and make people happy. I would build a nest in a tree and live with my bird family. I would fly with my friends and play in the sky. Being a bird would be a wonderful and exciting life. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.